Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a spring potpourri.
A stovetop potpourri is basically a simmering pot made of spices, dried fruit peels, extracts, fruit and herbs. Even if it feels intimidating, it's not hard to make a potpourri. You can adapt it for each season, so this is a spring potpourri. I will make two different spring recipes. The first potpourri contains lime, rosemary and vanilla extract. Cut the limes into rounds and place them into a pot. They are invigorating, improve health and wellness, are good for bronchitis and other respiratory issues, flu, colds and coughs. Store shelves are lined with scented candles, diffusers and air fresheners, but everything you need to have a fabulous smelling home is right in your kitchen. Make your own potpourri is quick, easy, inexpensive, and a great way to use up produce and spices before they go bad. Simmer pot may be old-fashioned, but they aren't out of fashion. There's a good reason your grandma always kept a pot full of herbs, spices and fruit simmering on the back of her stove. Not only did it act as a humidifier in the dry winter air, but it also kept the house smelling great all year long. Add rosemary sprigs. They will release a fresh and pleasant scent with balsamic wood and camphoric notes that will relax your senses, relieve mental stress, relieve sinusitis, and improve concentration, memory, and mood. Add 2 tablespoons of vanilla on top. It is an amazing antidepressant, relieves stress and anxiety, and helps nausea. Add about 2 liters of water. Bring water to a boil. Then lower the heat and simmer. Be sure to keep your simmer pot on the back burner and keep an eye on it. You don't want all of the water to evaporate and let the pot run dry. Enjoy the smell that will soon infuse in your home. The second recipe contains lemons and fresh mint. I have to admit, this one is my favorite. It smells just divine. Cut the lemons into rounds and place them into a pot. They have an amazing healing power, boost immunity, decrease anxiety, cough relief, and relieves nausea. Simmer pots can be used to create enjoyable aromas any time of the year. Did you know that overall other senses, our sense of smell has the strongest influence over emotions and memories? So create some amazing memories in the beautiful aroma of a simmering pot. Add fresh leaves of mint. It prevents nausea and vomiting, clears sinuses and soothes sore throats immediately, ease cough, improve concentration and alertness, It energizes, helps with cold, bronchitis, asthma, and sinusitis. Fill your home with relaxing goodness. You can use the ingredients you like. You can personalize it. Use these ingredients immediately in a simmer pot, or if you prefer, you can make a simmer pot in a mason jar and give as gifts to your family and friends. Place fruit, herbs, and spices in a clear mason jar. Next, add water until you reach the designated fill line of the jar. Screw down the lid. Place in the refrigerator and allow ingredients to infuse. It will keep approximately 1 week. Once you're ready for the simmer pot, empty the contents of your mason jar into the pot. Bring to a boil and simmer. Please let me know in the comments below if you ever made a potpourri yourself. I wish you could smell my home right now. It smells so fresh, so springy. I couldn't have enough of this aroma. Amazing! I hope today's video inspired you to make your own spring simmering pot. You can make your home smell like spring while using herbs you grew in your own garden. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked it and see you next time. Bye!